Hello friends. So in last video you have seen that we have created a singleton class which is thread safe. So no matter how many thread are calling this get instance method, so only one instance will be created. Now we will look at some hack of the singleton class. So let us start with clonable. So if your singleton class is clonable, implements clonable, that means you can create clone of object. If it is not, if it does not implement clonable, you don't need to worry about that because nobody can clone your object. So let's take an example of clonable first. So if your singleton contains clone method, so let us create a clone method. That's correct. Okay, so let us see what will happen if I call clone method. So I have created one instance of my machine M1, and I want to clone this M1. So M1 dot clone. That's okay. Let's say this is M2, my machine 2. So let's check whether both objects are same or not. The one way to check the object is I can print the object system.out.println. Otherwise this will print the hash code of object, so we can easily know whether objects are same or not. Otherwise we can write equal, double equal to operator. So let's use system.out.println. So let's run this application. See, objects are different because this hash code is different. Hash code of both objects are different. So let's create another object M3 via the get instance method. M3, right? See, M1 and M3 are same, but M2 is different because M2 is a clone of M1. So how to fix this? So in this clone method, you just need to return instance. That's it. Now run this class, run this example. See, all objects are same. So this in this way we can resolve cloning of our object, of singleton object. Let us see. There is another hack. If I write this my singleton object into a file, this will create new object. So if my object implements serializable, my singleton object implements serializable. Let's see what happens. So I have created M1. I just want to comment everything, and I'm going to write M1 to file. So I have created instance of object out stream, and then this text is a file, and I want to persist this object to the file, and then I have created so this is write object to file, and this is read object from file. From same file. So this is after read. Let's say this is m2. So here I just want to print this m1 and m2. Let's see what will happen. Let us run this example and see. See, m1 and m2 both are different because the hash code is different. We can check in this way. If m1 is m2 same, different. Let us see. See, both objects are different. Now how to resolve this problem when I persist object in a file? So there is a method read resolve. So let's create a method read resolve in your Singleton class and return instance. So you don't need to worry anything else. So you just need to create a read resolve method, which is called by the object stream when it read the method. Now see, the object is same. So what I did is I have just created a method read resolve, which is called by the object in stream when stream reads object from a file. Okay, the third one is if I use reflection to create the object, because using reflection definitely we can call a private constructor and then we can create the object of instance of any class. So let us take an example of reflection. So let us comment out everything to make the code clean. Just delete everything else. So I've created a object m1 via get instance method. Let us create another object m2 via get instance method, and then the third instance I wanna go create using reflection. So this is the code of reflection. You can call, let's say this is m3. So using reflection you can call the private constructor. So here you just need to set accessibility true of the constructor. Once get all the declared constructor and then set accessibility true, and then you can create the instance of constructor just by calling new instance. So object is created. Let's see, let's print all the object. So first print m1, m2 and m3. Let's see what's the result. See, the m3 is different. So this is a real hack of Singleton. So as of now there is no way to resolve this problem, else the only solution of this problem is create enum in place of class. So and then you don't need to worry anything. So let me change this to enum, and then everything. Clone and resolve everything. You don't need to write anything else in this way. Even you don't need to keep this get instance. So this is much cleaner code. So if you use enum, and then you just need to call mymachine.instance, and that's it. Okay, let's see. So even you can't call this constructor using, so I got exception because this is enum, so you can't use this reflection. You can't create the instance of enum using reflection. So this is another solution. So nobody can hack your singleton class. So that's it for now, and we will discuss more design pattern in next video. Bye and enjoy your programming. Thank you.